Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about China importation business. And in today's video, I will show you on how to add your shipping address on Made in China Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. Well, before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or Made in China, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your hand the account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my Made in China app. After you open up your Made in China app, then next thing you want to do is to see how you can simply add your delivery or shipping address to your Made in China app. There is a simple way by which you can do that. One of the easy way is to go and start an order. For instance, this particular product right here, I will go ahead and click on the product link. Then it's going to open up right here. So you can see this product here has to do with inquiry or chat now. So let's go back and use another product. So I'm going to use this product right here. So here, this one here have a start order. So we are going to use this particular store here as an example and see how we can easily add our delivery address, which can be any part of the country address. So right here, we want to go ahead and proceed with start order now. So when you click on start order now, it takes you right here, right? Okay. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on start order. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on add shipping address. Now you are here. So in this part here, you need to make sure you start from country or region. So go ahead and select your country. So there are so many countries right here. You just want to be sure that you choose your right country. So these are countries that you can ship directly from Made in China, just like so. So here, I'm going to go ahead and choose my country right here. I'm going to scroll down. So you can see there are a lot of countries right here that you can ship direct from Made in China. So I'm going to ship direct to Nigeria. The next thing we want to do here is to enter my address right here. So I'm going to enter my street address. So I will enter your street address, then go ahead and enter the build floor, street, and the floor number. Then scroll down right here, enter your zip code. Here we go. Then contact information, enter your legal name right here. Then enter your mobile phone number right here. Then make sure this here is turned on. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to make it your default shipping address. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on submit. And you have your address successfully added into your Made in China app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from Made in China, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or Made in China, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.